Here's how to make an easy, creamy and flavorful cheesecake that will not crack. The secret is one unusual ingredient that gives it a more complex flavor. We start by grinding 145 grams of Biscoff cookies into fine crumbs. Then add 30 grams of caster sugar and stir until evenly combined. Then mix in 50 grams of melted butter until everything resembles wet sand. I heat the butter for 20 seconds in a microwave. Transfer the crumbs into a 20 cm springform pan, then flatten firmly into an even base. Then bake the crust at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes in a preheated oven. Once baked, remove it from the oven and leave it to cool. The crust should feel firm when touched. Now for our unique ingredients. Add 300 grams of silken tofu. Then add 250 grams of cream cheese and then 250 grams of mascarpone. Pound the combination of the three ingredients together, then whisk until combined. At this stage, do not worry if it is a little clumpy. Next, add 130 grams of caster sugar and whisk again. Add 4 large eggs and whisk until the eggs are fully incorporated in the mixture. You will notice that the mixture is a lot less clumpy now that the eggs have been added. Pour all the batter into the springform pan through a sieve. Whisk the batter in through the sieve. You should only have to repeat this 3 times. By the last time, there should only be a small amount of clumpy parts which should be discarded. Lastly, spread the top part of the cheesecake batter evenly using the sieve. This will ensure the cheesecake has a nice flat top. Now, the important part that can make or break your cheesecake. No water should seep into the cheesecake, so wrap the springform pan in 3 to 4 layers of aluminum foil and place it in a water bath. If you are not confident about your wrapping skills, wrap the pan, then put it into a bigger pan, then put both in the water bath. Bake the cheesecake at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Note that everyone's oven is different, so adjust timing and temperature accordingly. The biggest concern with this cheesecake is it can curdle if baked for too long or hot. Once it's baked, immediately take the cheesecake out of the oven and water bath and let it cool at room temperature. The top part of the cheesecake should be slightly darker and the middle part a little jiggly. If you did not wrap the cake pan properly and some water seeped in, the cake is still savable. All you have to do is let it cool on a rag to let the liquid seep out. Cool the cheesecake in the fridge for 8 hours minimum before taking it out of the springform pan. As a finishing touch, sprinkle the cheesecake with a layer of chocolate powder. If you care about the presentation, gently wipe any chocolate powder off the sides of the cheesecake. Unlike some of the more complex recipes on my channel, this cheesecake is designed with beginners in mind.